So your Rivian guy wants to buy my EQS?
Mm-hmm. Lease it.
You know, I'm going to be very sad if he buys this because we have no more EQSs. You know, be happy that we sold it, but what am I supposed to drive after that, Krishan? What am I supposed to drive next?
I was thinking the same thing.
No, I mean, it's all good. We can't collect these, but I might have to drive a GLE 450 plug-in hybrid, I guess, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just wish the E53 wagons were here already. Right. Oh, I can't wait for those.
Yeah, those
oh my goodness.
Real good too.
Okay, so are all the tires roasted or no?
No, but since he never got them changed before, I just put replace.
He's never gotten them changed?
No.
These look... They're clearly like an all-terrain tire.
Oh, he never got the brakes changed.
Yeah, brakes on EVs are tricky because...
That's what he said.
They do a lot of regen braking, so it's not... They last for a long time. If... Just really depends on how he's driving. You know what I mean? This is a lot of miles for a 2022. I get it seems to be about average, but it seems miley, but I guess not. 40,387. We also, I'm going to send you a link. A company called Plug.
Okay.
That also puts cash numbers on EVs, and what we've been doing is comparing and contrasting because sometimes that's all they do. They're just EV only. You know what I mean? Okay. So they sometimes have been paying a lot of money for trades above and beyond like what AccuTrade's comfortable putting on it.
Okay.
So we want to make sure that we have that as a... What's that?
So they can look at mine.
Your like actual car?
Mm-hmm.
Why, what are you trying to do?
I gotta get out of my... I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna stick with Mercedes for the next one, but I know there's...
Excuse me?
I know. I'm trying to lower my payment.
What are you paying?
It's like $820, which isn't bad. It's just like I don't need to be driving the Mercedes.
Didn't you have a bunch of negative equity last time?
Like $5,000, yeah.
Yeah.
So
it's not too bad.
How long is on your lease?
It's up in December. I'd be okay in a Honda, truthfully. So I don't know.
Why would we do that when we can just get you a great deal on it?
I mean,
what are we talking about here?
I'm just saying, if you can lower my payment, yeah, for sure. But,
of course we can lower your payment.
All right. Okay.
What kind of nonsense is happening here? How about a GLC plug-in hybrid?
You might look at it.
I've been thinking about that too.
So
I really want a GLE,
so
but that's
probably
out of my range.
It's not me. I feel
oh,
like
but a Honda is?
I don't know.
What?
I was gonna go Tesla, but I don't think the timing on Tesla.
Whoa.
I love.
What's happening?
Don't get me
in
wrong.
here?
I love a Model 3. I don't know. I would love a Tesla. I don't know.
What's going on with you?
I don't know.
Weird me out
Crisis,
right now.
yeah.
I don't like Teslas
no, I'm
no
kidding.
more.
Huh?
I've been stuff like the Teslas, bro.
You don't like them?
No more. They just feel like everybody got them.
I don't know. They're cheap
I'm
and
very
nice.
alarmed by this entire conversation.
I'm all over the place, actually. I was just talking to Colin about it. I'm like, I don't know what the...
Oh, yeah, don't talk to Colin. You'll end up with a Toyota.
Well, yeah. So...
Just don't buy a used one.
Yeah, that doesn't make any type of sense at all.
Well, to the internet it does.
What?
Used Toyotas.
My video the other day?
For like MSRP.
People
and so
flipped
new
out at me.
Toyotas. So, yeah, it doesn't make any sense.
Trying to see what cars we've got employee deals on.
Oh no, Doug's gonna get me to make a bad decision.
No.
Yes, Doug is.
I would never.
He does this to me every time.
I would never. Yeah, Tesla. I didn't like that.
I didn't like that. Well, I'll keep looking. I've still got 5 months or so, but.
So, Krishan, what is the other car that we are appraising here?
A BMW.
Looks like a 430xi convertible.
Yeah.
Okay, this is very low miles. Very nice. 11,889.
Now, on that one, she never got tires replaced, so I just, I know at the 10, 15, I just replaced them all. I told him that too when he was here. He was okay with that. And brakes, they never changed because they barely drive it.
Yeah, the tires look a little bit dry rotted, so they're, even if they had some tread, they look like they need to be replaced. I mean, if the car was built in 2021, those tires are coming up on 4 years old anyway.
Yeah.
White on red M Sport premium 19-inch wheels is a nice car. This is a big number from AccuTrade. Holy cow. This number is $2,500 higher than the median price for all of them for sale in the country. Now granted, it's a great color combination. It's super low miles, but whew, That's a lot of money. It's 38,975. Okay.
I think they only owe 30, so that'll be okay.
2 people with positive equity. What's the guy on the Rivian?
33.
All right.
He wanna
Two
use-
croissants
he
on,
wanna
like,
use
deals to
all of
me.
it for the down payment on the EQS. Doug's EQS.
Sounds like a deal.
Yeah, I hope so. It better be.
I'm sending you that link, by the way, right
For
now.
plug.
Yep. Just go and put your information in, like just your name, and that way it comes to you.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Here, let me print this out for you on the 4 Series.
I love that music.
Now,
The
Angela.
ringtone on that is crazy. I have 2 GLE 450Es saved in there.
Why? Why 2?
We're
Is he
torn
buying
between-
2?
Well, no, we're torn between the 2, either the silver or the blue. But I just need both of them flipped to 20k miles a year.
Angela,
Local
one
guy?
or two?
I still have some in my fridge actually.
Oh,
I've
do
got a
you?
little stockpile in there.
Good.
Now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
10 G's down?
Yeah, well, yeah, that's coming out of a trade. So, is that how you want me to do it? His trade's like worth like 41. So.
Got it.
Okay. 421.
It looks like he's in our online express store because it just asked me if I wanted to notify him,
Oh,
which I did. But
he's
I'll
in
print.
it now, or he just
No, I think he at some point was interacting with it because
Oh.
if I go in and I modify, he didn't have fleet, did he?
I don't think so.
You don't think so, which means you didn't ask.
Well, it's been months. Let me
Angela!
Let me double check. Okay.
You have a lot of VINs in here. Which one's the blue one?
The blue one should be the one right underneath this one.
When was his trade appraised last?
I just did it this morning. I refreshed it and updated the mileage. I just sent it to him to 41,575 to 22 X5.
Okay. All right, here's that. Here's the blue one.
Thanks.
All right, come on, let's lock one of them up. That silver one I just got back on trade from another dealer,
Cool.
so probably be here in a couple days.
Cool.
Alrighty,
Thanks.
no problem. Bye.